We face this reality today that many would appear orderly, beautiful, or well outside. But inside, they know very well that they have a lot to deal on. They have a lot on their plates. May mga nabibigatan sa buhay, sa eskwela, sa pamilya, sa relasyon, sa pananampalataya, sa araw-araw na pagod at marahil sa mga issues na meron tayo sa buhay at issues na mayroon tayo sa ating paligid. And once these things would slowly occupy our hearts, ang isang maaaring mangyari ay ang sumabog tayo o magwala tayo dahil naipon na ang mga bigat at dumi sa ating kalooban. But for us to find peace and healing from which God has given us people who will help us heal wounds from within. People who would not love our physicality or our bodies, but people who would love to see our souls becoming well. In our gospel today, it is the desire of Jesus, not only for the scribes and the Pharisees, not only to have good and pleasing externalities, but to build on pure and clean hearts. Sinasabi nga natin, beautiful inside and out. And today's saint, Saint Monica, may hopefully inspire us. Bilang isang nanay ng isang tila matigas na ulo, pariwara at matigas na pusong si Agustin. Her wish was not only to see or to make Augustine known to have a revered body, guwapo, matipuno, isang maayos na lalaki. But her tears and her prayers for her son made her pray for a beautiful heart for Augustine. Hindi nanawa si Santa Monica na ang makita lamang ng tao kay Agustin ay ang matikas niyang pagkatao. Dahil sa panalangin, sa luha, sa pakikisama at sa walang sawang pagiging nanay at kalakbay ni San Agustin para sa anak niya, nabuo kay Agustin ang isang pagkatao at isang puso na makadiyos, mapagmahal at isang pusong tapat para sa bawat isa. It will not only be the duty of mothers or parents to accompany their child or children to have a beautiful life inside and out. Each of us is a God-given Monica to our friend, to your spouses, to your friends, to those you mingle every day, to those who are near you, to those whom you work with, to those we encounter every single day. Marahil maganda po ang naipapakita natin sa bawat isa. Maganda ang ating pangangatawan. Pero baka kinakailangan din po nila ng magdadasal at dadamay para umayos ang kanilang puso. To have a modern-day Monica who will be present and will also make them possible to have beautiful hearts inside and out. My dear brothers and sisters, be someone's Monica today. Nananalangin, gumagabay, at hindi sumusuko sa ikaaayos, hindi lamang ng pangangatawan, kundi ng puso. One may really find it difficult to change. But with God and with you, we can be well and good inside and out.